What is going on, everybody? I hope you have a great morning, afternoon, evening, whatever time you're watching this video. Welcome back to the channel, Ham Fam. If you're new, like and subscribe to the video. More like it, just subscribe. But today we are off work a little early, which is freaking amazing. And if you see a new background in these videos, it's because I moved in with my cousin. Thank you, Tristan. Shout out to you. Thank you, Brittany. Shout out to you. So, give you a little room tour real quick before we start heading outside. Yeah, nice new carpet. Everything got remodeled after the hurricane in North Carolina. It's a little gaming setup / edit station. Trash can, cool. Bed, awesome. Flag, closet. Pretty basic, but gets the job done. But moral of the story is we are installing wheel lights today. If you click on the title, you should know that. And we're gonna be installing wheel lights on that bad girl right there. So without further ado, let's roll the intro. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Look how good she looks today. I mean, she's freaking filthy. I mean, look at all these bugs and stuff. But I cannot wait to wrap the roof with you guys. Got a hoodie on, probably don't need one, but I'll just take it off after we get our stuff. But we're about to go to the parts store right now, and we're gonna pick up a little drill bit set and get some fuel. We need some diesel, so we're gonna do that. I'm actually trying to trade these wheels and tires off. I'm not sure if I want stocks and mud wraps, which would be kind of hard to trade for, to be honest, or some 24x14s. Somebody comment down below, give me some 24x14s, South Carolina area or North Carolina area around the coast. So please hook a boy up. But gonna be installing these wheel lights today, and it shouldn't be too hard. I actually wanted to paint the calipers. I might get some caliper paint. It's just gonna be overcasted today, so it shouldn't be too bad. Yes, I know this bed is messed up. I still need to freaking fix that. I'm gonna try and see if I can like just break this Bondo off actually, and get that supporting rod. I need to do it before Myrtle Beach Truck Week in December, and clean all this stuff up with some. I'm gonna tape it all off and get some bed liner spray and do the rest of the everything else like I did right there. I mean, I still gotta clean it up just a little bit, but it looks a lot better. And I gotta sand down the frame and stuff still. But we're about to go to the store right now. Follow along for the adventure. Move out the way, doggy. Please hurry up. Please. It'd mean a lot. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it. Okay, so we got the items that we needed. Didn't get to get caliper paint because I forgot I don't have anything to tape it off with right now. And although it would be a good day to do it, just not gonna do it today. So we got the drill bit set, and we are all set to do this. Drill is in the trunk, and let's go. What the heck is this? Why are you blocking my driveway over there? Why are you blocking the road? Okay, so before we start getting all this stuff taken off, let's open this package and let's see what we have for the wheel lights. Okay. Instructions, nice. Boom, bada boom, bada bing. Nice. Okay, so before you mount them, you're just gonna get everything laid out. I made sure all the wires would reach, so I put the control box under the truck in the middle where it's gonna be. And now I have this negative. Hold on, hard to do with one hand. So I have the negative and the positive wired together, and they are lighting up. So that is a good sign. I haven't tried to connect it to the app yet, but I'm just gonna go out on a limb and say it works. Please Lord be right. But we're gonna take the wheel off, and we're about to start drilling these holes out for these mounting brackets, and then should be just as easy as drilling 3 holes. Should be. And self-tapping these screws in there. So I'm gonna get with you as soon as we start getting one of these wheels off and getting done. Missing someone with all track, okay? Okay, so right now we got our three aluminum brackets, and we're just gonna go behind the vehicle and go on the dust clip right here, or the dust shield, and we're gonna do them probably around here, here, and here is where we're gonna drill, and it should be tight enough. If not, we'll have to adjust it, but we're gonna try it out. So get your handy dandy drill, and you can go through the bracket. Alright, so I got the one for that. You just put it in the grass or something. And I'm gonna try this out right here. And you're just gonna repeat that step on all of these until you get it right. You have to adjust it for your dust shield. Obviously, everybody's is gonna be different. So I'm gonna get back with you as soon as we get that finished. Okay, guys, it is 4:13. I think I took about like 30 minutes to do this one side, but I didn't know exactly what I was doing. So what you do is you get the pre-drilled holes for the bolts, that little mini bolts that come in. Then you get self-tapping screws, and you go to the dust shield right there. Hopefully it doesn't scrape the rotor when I put the wheels on, but I think we'll just have to see what happens. I mean, I think it has a little gap in there in between anyways. So yep, that's that. I aligned it right here, so then that way I can just zip tie these together and have a little clean look. I'm gonna run it behind there and then down the frame to the control box when I get it all centered. But I'm gonna repeat that process on these, and then I'm gonna get a little bit of shots of me doing it here and there. Then we're gonna show you the end result. So sit back and stay tuned, because it's gonna be freaking lit tonight. Perfect time to do it today. We're gonna have it done before nighttime, hopefully. I'm gonna try and grind it out, so I'll get back with you.
Missing someone.
Okay, so the front, I feel like I'm zoomed out. Okay, so the front is all done, and turned out pretty good so far. I had to learn that don't try and space them out too much, because what you're gonna do is the gap between the rotor and everything is too small. So you can see that one's just a little bit more out than that one. Either way, it should shine up everything pretty good. Pretty excited. Haven't had wheel lights in forever. So without that, or without further ado, we're gonna move on to the back, and then the back shouldn't take too long. And then all we gotta do is just wire it up. I'm probably gonna tap it into my radio fuse, because that's kind of simple. And if I don't want it on, I can just turn it off with the app, or I can just turn my radio off, because I don't think there's anything else I can wire it to right now, because I don't have a switch right now. That's the only thing. It didn't come with a switch, which it says it should have, but it's okay. So gonna take the jack off, take the jack stands, put them in the back, take the back wheels off, and we're gonna knock this out real quick before sundown. I started the other side at 4:30 something, and it is 4:53, so it took about 20 minutes with taking into consideration I had to move to the driver's side and fix the driver's side as well. I don't know what's wrong over there, but I think it's the brake disc thing. Hopefully it'll ride out. There's like a little noise in there, but either way, it'll buff. Everybody say hello to the neighborhood chickens. Neighborhood chickens, come on and help. Oh, okay, so that's Rosine, Freddie, and Mercury on the left, and that one's Chicken Noodle and Bullseye on the front right there. The one with puffy feet, I call him Meatballs. I don't know where he's at. Alright, back one is almost done. Just need to mount it to the dust shield, left side, and then wire. Boom. Okay, so right now, I'm not sure if you can see that really well, but we are just zip tying them to the brake lines right here, running them up through here. That's the only part where you can see the wire along the frame, and I have the control box right there on top. I'm gonna zip tie it all down, make it all snug, and I'm just zip tying it to the wheel speed sensor cable, and then running it up here, and I'm tapping into the radio fuse, so that way if I can turn it on with the radio, like I said earlier in the video, it didn't come with a switch. So I'm about to just tighten this up real quick, make sure everything works, cut the zip tie-ins, and I will show you what they look like. Okay guys, that'll do it for today's video. I really appreciate everybody tuning in and watching this video. Hopefully you learned something. I learned a few things myself as well. But I'm gonna give you a little B-roll shots of the truck right now. Here's a little sneak peek. But I really appreciate everybody watching the videos. Thank you so much for subscribing. If we can hit 1,000 before November, that'd be freaking outstanding. I really appreciate every one of you, and I'll see you later, fam. Take you